How many calories do I need? It takes 3,500 calories to make 1 pound. If you take that 3,500 calories and divide it by 7 days in a week, you get 500 calories. Therefore, if you eat 500 calories less each day than your body needs, you will lose 1 pound a week. Now, how do we know how many calories do we need? I'm going to show you a quick formula to use. Also, there is a government website you can go to that calculates your calorie needs. The website is www.myplate.gov. A quick formula for guesstimating your calorie needs is to take your weight and multiply it times what I call the metabolic factor. The metabolic factor is a guess of your metabolism between 10 to 15. To determine what metabolic factor to use, it depends on how much weight you have to lose and how active you are. If you are 75 to 100 pounds overweight, multiply your current weight times 10. If you are 50 to 75 pounds overweight, multiply your current weight times 11. If you are 25 to 50 pounds overweight, multiply your current weight times 12. If you are less than 25 pounds overweight, multiply your weight times 13. If you do not need to lose weight and are inactive, multiply your current weight times 14. If you do not need to lose weight and are average activity, multiply your weight times 15. For example, if you are a 5'4" female weighing 175 pounds, which is approximately 50 pounds overweight, the metabolic factor would be 12. Your calorie needs would be 175 times 12, 2,100 calories per day to maintain the weight of 175 pounds. If you minus 500 calories, you can lose 1 pound a week. So if you consumed 1,600 calories a day, you can lose 1 pound a week. You can also move more. A 45-minute walk burns about 250 calories, which is a half a pound of weight loss a week. It also makes you a better fat burner and is #1 for good health. For every 25-pound weight loss, you go up a metabolism number. So if you were a 12 and you lost 25 pounds, you go to a 13. Your metabolism changes because you lost 25 pounds of inactive body fat, which burns less calories. Now you're more muscle, which burns more calories. Now, when you're 150 pounds, the metabolic factor is times 13. Therefore, your calorie needs are 1,950 calories to maintain the weight of 150 pounds forever. If weight is decreased to 125 pounds, which is ideal body weight for a 5'4" female, then the metabolic factor increases to a 14 if they're inactive or a 15 if they're active. Notice when you lose the weight, the calories are almost the same because your metabolism has changed. You lost 50 pounds of inactive body fat, now you're more active muscle. Notice your calorie needs are only 225 calories less a day to maintain weight for life. A 6'2" male who weighs 300 pounds would be a metabolic factor of 10. When he loses 100 pounds, the metabolic factor increases to a 14, which means his calorie needs are 2,800 calories a day to maintain the weight of 200 pounds for life. That's not too bad. People think they have to live on 1,200 calories a day and become dissatisfied being on a diet. It's harder to lose weight, but it's easy to maintain. That's why the scale is your best friend for life. That's how when you lose weight, you never want to see it again. Calories are the bottom line for weight. You don't have to count calories, but you do need to understand them. And you don't waste them. And always read labels and pop on the scale. For a formula to calculate your individual calorie needs, go to the free video session 4 at onoffdieting.com. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so I can help you with your weight loss journey. And share with your family and friends to teach everyone weight education. You can get a complete, free video series on weight loss and nutrition and emotional eating on the website onoffdieting.com.